All right, welcome back to the channel. I want to show you guys how to use Smart ReFrame. It's a great little tool for resizing to 9 by 16. So right now we have a 16 by 9 image, and if we click on our graticule to give us the 9 by 16, we need to repan and repo this so the action is in the center of this. Now you could go in and start making keyframes and follow the shot around as there's movement, but Resolve has a great tool for that called Smart ReFrame. So we're going to click on our gear here for our timeline settings. We're going to hit use vertical resolution and hit save. And now you're going to see the matting. Now don't worry about the mats. Resolve's smart enough to know what's going on here. With your video clip selected, you're going to click under Smart ReFrame here, which is usually not open. You can choose a reference point if you'd like to circle the object, or you'll get this little box here. And then that box lets you kind of move it around and manipulate it to where you want the action to be. Or you can put it on auto, and we'll let that reframe right now. Auto usually does a fantastic job. And now it's smart enough to know with the side matting on, it's still going to analyze the whole image and basically put together what you want to have in the center of the frame. So as we let this finish rendering, it'll go ahead and size it in. We'll give it a few seconds, and then you'll notice under the transform section here in the upper right, your position and your Y is going to change. And as we scroll through the footage, you'll see these move in real time because Resolve is actually putting in the keyframes to keep everything centered within this new view right here. So as you can see, the position has been moved. And then if we move around, depending on the action, it's moving these keyframes around. And if we look at the keyframe editor with the X and Y position, you could see it's adding all those keyframes for you where you don't have to do that. You can always render this to a new clip. Might be getting a little bit of a choked playback with the screen capture, but you get the gist of it. So now that we've resized it, this person's right in the middle versus when we had the original clip here, you can see all that extra room. So huge time saver if you're trying to do vertical content and you don't want to have to go in and repo it the old fashioned way. You can use Smart ReFrame. All right. As always, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Hope that helps.